Oh, you want to go to the main quarters? Come on, bring out.
Start the part 5. Follow the ram, the loser, the retard, the ram tart.
Part 5?
Yeah, part 5, shut up.
Oh, electric box. Okay, that's the place.
That Clement apprentice or something. And we are going to debunk it.
Guys, I think we should go.
Hello, footprints.
Bad feeling about this.
Clement, don't stop trying to scare me, Ken. See, I'm stuttering already.
You want to see the? You want to see this fridge? Yeah, this is the room. This vintage fridge. You move
Oh.
just now. Close it. Yes, you move just now like this.
Okay, can you be more real?
They said that they stuffed a little girl inside.
Seriously, can you see that again?
And then she fell in here. Can you hear that? Yeah. That kind of dog howling, right?
Let's take our EVP.
This is real, this is not fake. That one looks like a hospital drip.
Guys, I have to tell you the truth.
Right, hold on.
Nothing is fake over here. Every fighting is real, including this funny face.
Stop the picture, Dick. Okay, sorry.
This guy is angry
This is the little girl.
and he's ugly.
Wow, not bad, not bad. This is the little girl inside. You want to see?
No. Oh shit!
Can you see it?
No! That makes it scarier!
It's moving. It's just my hair. Yeah, I think I should hide inside then you'll take video. Yeah. No, you should carry this around like that. Oh shit, this is freaking heavy. Yeah, cannot lah, just.
Yeah, I don't think you can.
No, I don't think you should hide inside.
Yeah, it's not good because
It's not sanitized.
the little girl may strangle you.
Are you still taking pictures? Yeah. Can you stop wasting time taking 30-second pictures? I'm like what?
End of part 5 with Clement again. Clement, do you want to say goodbye? I give you time.
Bye.